In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new website using Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a personal blog, an online portfolio, or an e-commerce store, Squarespace offers a user-friendly interface and a variety of beautiful templates to choose from. First, let's get started by logging into your Squarespace dashboard. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up for one, but assuming you do, simply enter your credentials and get logged in. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard page. Look for the option that says Create Website, or you might notice a small plus sign labeled Plus Add Site. Click on that, and we can jump into the exciting part, selecting the perfect template for your website. Squarespace offers a wide range of templates, each crafted to suit different types of websites, be it a portfolio, an online store, or a blog. You can browse through these templates by category, which is particularly helpful if you are searching for something specific. Simply click on any category that aligns with your vision, or use the search bar if you have a particular theme in mind. Once you have a template that catches your eye, click on it to preview how it will look. This will give you a sense of the layout and design before making any commitments. If it aligns with the style and functionality you're aiming for, go ahead and click Start with Template Name. By doing this, you're confirming your choice, and Squarespace will generate a new, empty website based on the template you've selected. As soon as your template is ready, you'll be prompted to name your new site. This can be your brand name, your personal name for a portfolio, or anything that fits the purpose of your site. Don't worry too much about this being permanent. You can always change it later if you need to. After naming your site, click Continue, and you're all set. You now have a blank canvas in the form of a new website, ready for you to personalize and fill with content. There you have it, a quick and straightforward process to creating a website with Squarespace. From here, you can dive into customizing your pages, adding your content, and crafting an online presence that is uniquely yours. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're feeling inspired to continue building your site. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to explore the Squarespace Help Center or drop a comment below. Enjoy building your new site.